It's not a sidewalk. You need to get out of the road. I'm giving you a command to get on a sidewalk.
Is it a legal command for real?
Not a sidewalk. You are standing in the middle of the road in violation of
This is not the middle of the road. There's a sidewalk right here. You don't see this as a sidewalk?
Sidewalk right here if you want.
Do not touch me, sir. Do not touch me.
Stop resisting.
Call.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Call
Get on the ground.
Call a
Law.
supervisor.
Do you have a driver's license? No, I don't. Okay, you don't? No. You're gonna have to tell me who you are then. For what reason now? Homeland Security. Homeland Security is a crime? Well, Did you know what the 2018 Homeland Security memo states?
In this situation, a citizen films the police abusing their power by ordering a pedestrian to move from their legal position. Despite standing on a legal sidewalk, the officer still tries to give an unlawful command. Do you believe that citizens' rights are being violated in such situations? Watch the video and ask yourself, are we truly safe when standing up for our rights?
How's it going today?
Good. How are you? Out of the road.
I'm going around here. You don't have to tell me what to do, but I'm traveling just fine.
You're in the middle of the road. I can
Well, you can't just tell people what to do. I say, you know, come on, don't start
It's not
that.
a sidewalk. You need to get out of the road. I'm giving you a command to get on a sidewalk.
Is it a legal command for real?
Not a sidewalk. You are standing in the middle of the road in violation of
This
the
is not the
law.
middle of the road. There's a sidewalk right here. You don't see this
There
as
is
a
no
sidewalk?
sidewalk right here if you want to record
Come
it.
on
I'm
now.
give you one more chance since you're recording me.
But name and badge number. Name and badge number. Name and badge number. Yeah, I want a business card. Business card.
196.
Business
That's
card.
someone's yard. That's not a sidewalk.
Business card, buddy.
Close. Sidewalk's over
Oh,
there.
there's a sidewalk, bud.
Absolutely. Go find
Look.
the sidewalk. I'm recording too. All right.
Look, there's a sidewalk right here. That's a sidewalk right there. No, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, bud. You can't just pull me over. You can't just stop me. Come on, man. I'm asking questions. That's it.
Sidewalk.
Look at sidewalk. Come on, guy. That's an unlawful. That is an unlawful order. You want to start? You want to try giving? Stop it! Stop it! Can I get? Let me give me a badge. Give me a business card.
I just told you my name and badge number. I don't have a business
Okay,
card.
what's your name and badge number? Name and badge number.
Out here in the street. Thank you very much.
I could be out in the street, buddy. Come on, man. Come on, man. You're gonna violate people's rights like that? I could be on the street. If I have to walk across the street, what am I gonna do?
I'm not violating your rights.
Yes, you are. That's why I come out here, because you guys violate people's rights. I come out here.
Let me talk. I am giving you opportunities to comply.
You're wanting to give.
If I wanted to violate your rights,
You're wanting to give unlawful orders. You're wanting to give unlawful orders.
It is illegal to stand in the middle.
It's not illegal. I could cross the street if I pull it up. Show me the law. Show me the law code.
How about you
show me the law code.
Listen to my lawful
show me the law code.
What happens? Okay.
Show me the law code. Under duress, I'm not gonna go on the road. Under duress because look, you're wanting to arrest me. That's the thing we talk about. That all you guys do is want to push people around. Look at you.
Stay there.
Stay where? Stay there. Stay there.
Perfect.
See what you're doing? You see what you do? Violating people's rights?
I'm not gonna do with it. Sorry.
That's exactly what you're doing, bud. Isn't it? All I'm here is asking for questions, and you guys are gonna sit there and want to violate somebody's rights. That's in public. I got my rights to grieve to the government, right? Right? Isn't my First Amendment? Right? Do you know the first? Hey, you can say however way you want to say it. You can say it's harassment. You can say whatever. As long as it's not an action, then I ain't doing nothing.
Right there on the sidewalk, but if you're out here in the middle of the street,
bro, if I go over here and I have to cross the street because I gotta go home or something,
use a crosswalk.
use a crosswalk. Hey, you know they ain't no crosswalk. But come on, can I get your business card? Name,
You know who I am. You've had one before.
name and badge number. Then say it. Come on, man.
7-2, Lieutenant Decker. We've talked before. You put a video up of me, remember?
Yes, sir.
We're
And what's
doing
your
our
name
job
and badge
we're
number?
supposed to. Why are you out here doing this?
Well, because you guys violate people's rights. That's it. That's like
Give me an
what this
example.
guy's want to do.
Give me an example.
Like right now, he's trying to push me off the road just because I'm in the. He's saying he's gonna arrest me because I go on the road.
Why are you recording
Right?
someone's house?
Right? You're gonna arrest me because I go on the road?
Stop. You're not being
Yeah, you said that. You said if I go out on the road, you're gonna arrest me. Is that
You are
illegal?
not being reasonable right now. What are you doing?
I'm saying I come out here because I test you guys for
Why?
you guys to violate people's rights, and that's
Why
what you guys
are
the first thing you guys to
someone's
do.
privacy?
I'm in public. I can
Hey,
record whatever I
let's
see.
have a constitutional
Right?
conversation. Why does
You
this
know what the
person not have an
plain
exit?
view
Stop. You're
doctrine
just-
is?
you're just trying to
You know
talk
what the
over
plain
it.
view doctrine
You're just
is?
trying to talk over
Right?
it.
Right?
Yeah,
You know what that is?
plain view.
Okay
Nothing to do
then.
with this.
Then I got the First
What's
Amendment.
that person's expectation of privacy?
So they don't got no
don't
expectation of privacy.
understand it.
You don't. They don't
understand
have
bounds.
expectation of privacy
Okay,
in public. As long as I'm in
DJ
public.
Kevin, I try to get along with you, but
But-
you're being ridiculous. And you're being
Look at this.
unreasonable.
Look at.
So post your video.
Yep.
'Cause you're
I'm
being
gonna show how you
unreasonable.
guys are ridiculous on trying to do unlawful orders to
That is
people.
Information. You should probably get a protection order against you. This is not safe.
Whatever.
So you're gonna get violated.
No, I ain't getting nothing. You guys ain't getting nothing. You can't get nothing
What's the
from
time?
I haven't done nothing.
What's the time right now?
If I have not committed a crime, You can't ask for ID or nothing. There's no reason for.
No,
Then at that point, you're violating my rights, my Fourth Amendment. What's the Fourth Amendment right? Huh? What's the Fourth Amendment right?
You should know.
Yeah, Fourth Amendment right is my privacy, to my legal privacy.
This is a of privacy for you going over to someone's fence.
I'm not going over their fence. I'm right here in public. Oh well, there's no expectation. Plain view doctrine. Look it up.
That has nothing to do with
Plain
this.
view doctrine. If I can see it from public, I can record it.
You are being unreasonable.
You're being unreasonable. You just want to be on a high horse. That's it.
Post this video for your two fans.
I'm telling you that you guys violate people's rights like you're going to try to do right now.
Let me talk. You just want to talk over for your.
Because all you want to do is violate people's rights, right?
Have a nice day. We have your information. You'll probably
You have a nice day.
How many times
Yeah.
have you been arrested doing this?
Don't worry about how many times I got arrested.
0.
Yeah.
Right? We have violated your rights 0 times.
No. You don't know anything then.
How many times have you been arrested for doing this?
More than what you think, buddy.
0.
More than what you
Right.
think, buddy.
So,
More than what you think.
What's
Just for
your
violating my
evidence
rights.
against
Just
this?
for
I'm not.
violating my rights. Traveling, walking, just and saying, oh, if you don't step right there, you're not in public. When the public says,
I'm talking. You're trespassing
Oh,
from right
you see
here.
that?
Do you understand that? I have to yell because I can't even hear myself think because you won't shut up. You are trespassed from this address. If you come back from this address again, you will go to jail.
I can walk up and down all the street the whole time I want. As long as I'm not on their property, buddy. So don't go there. Don't get it
As long as
twisted.
you use the
I can
sidewalk.
walk up and down this sidewalk. I can walk up and down the street.
If you are
See how
out
you
there
guys are
again
doing.
recording their
See how you are pushing out your unlawful orders. Do you see that, Sergeant? You're a sergeant, right?
Unlawful about
Are you not a sergeant?
So you are free to go.
What's your name and badge number, Sergeant?
You are free to
Sergeant
go.
Andrews, 174.
Okay, then you should teach your officers that not violate people's rights and give unlawful orders.
Free to go. Still free
Then
to
tell them not to give unlawful orders, okay?
I
Remember that.
don't have to tell him anything.
You're the sergeant. You're the one that's supposed to be in charge of these guys.
Guess what? My boss is here. So
go. You are free to go.
Wow.
Still free
But
to
they still don't, put up the right to put up for you guys to learn the Constitution. You guys don't learn the Constitution.
in her home is violating your rights somehow.
All I did was pass by and say, "Oh, look, I seen a car." I was like wondering what cop lives here. What violator lives here? That's it.
Good. Keep recording. Let's go to
That's
your house.
it.
Let's show everyone where you live.
Oh,
Show them
people
your
know where I
address.
live.
Let's give them your license plate.
People know where I live. Don't worry about
Okay.
it.
Where is that? What's your address?
Don't worry about it.
Oh,
See?
so you don't want to share. So you're
Because-
all about freedom of information,
yes.
but you don't want to share it.
No, you know what the First Amendment is?
You're a hypocrite. Have
You know
a
what the
day.
First Amendment is, right? You know what's the Third and Fourth Amendment? You know those?
Have a
Do you know any of them?
wonderful day, sir.
Do you know any of them?
Safe, happy holidays. Whatever holiday you celebrate, I hope it's a wonderful one. Have a happy holiday.
All right. Goodbye.
You guys are dismissed. You guys go do your job. You guys do your job, and you guys go stop violating people's rights. Remember that, all right? It is, yeah, Christmas coming up. So let people know, hey, this and this is that. Oh, get out of the street, please. Oh, get out of the street. Look at this shit, you guys. Look at unlawful orders. Shut the fuck up, man. You guys are fucking idiots, man. Get out of the street. Get out of the street. Hear that shit? Fucking bullshit. Get out of the street. That's what they do, peeps. That's why I come out here. To show how effed up they are. They want to violate people's rights constantly. It's not about, defunding the police. It's about redirecting your funding to retraining you guys on the Constitution. That's what you guys need. Be retrained on the Constitution. Exactly. Retrain yourself. Yeah, you know what you're doing, Id.
Watch WWE at all?
Now they don't even want me walking out in the street, peeps, because they're crying.
What'd you say? That's not appropriate for your younger viewers. You shouldn't curse on them. Disney Plus.
Don't worry about what we be doing, man.
Plus is never gonna pick you up when you talk like that.
Don't worry about what we be doing, man. Worry about learning how to, protect our people, protect the people's rights. You guys took an oath to protect our
Give
rights.
me an example where we didn't.
Not today.
No, give me an
Or any
example.
other time.
Give
That's
me
all
an
you guys ever
example.
do.
Give
Because
me an
the first thing you guys do is pull up on people.
I just asked for you
The
to
first
give me
thing
an
you guys
example.
do is pull up on people and say, hey, ID.
What people?
When you pull people over, anybody.
Everybody is my people.
When you pull people over, that's the first thing you guys do, man. Hey,
Give me an
ID,
example.
ID. Oh, you can't tell them that you got a light out. You can't tell them that you got this and that.
You just want to talk.
Right?
You don't-
You can't tell them that, right?
don't
You
wanna
can't.
have a conversation.
You can't, right?
Driving's a privilege,
Because
not a right,
no,
right?
it's a right.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
It's not
Not
a
a
right,
privilege.
it's a privilege.
It's our God-given right to travel amongst this free country.
No.
A driver is one that works for commerce. Look that up.
Okay, so
You guys
you
don't
think
understand
a
those
drunk driver-
rights.
you think a drunk
You guys
driver
don't
should have a
think.
car?
You guys don't understand those rights.
No, you don't understand what you're talking. You're being unreasonable.
You're
I
being
usually work
unreasonable.
with-
You
I
guys
usually work
learn the
with you, which is
Constitution.
being
Learn the
ridiculous.
Constitution.
So
Honor
why
your
are-
oath.
why are you
Protect our rights instead of
Why are
taking
you
our rights.
here?
That's why. I'm telling you constantly what I'm telling all the officers. Learn the constitutional rights. You took an oath to protect our
Let me help
rights,
you.
and that's the first thing you do.
You're gonna keep talking.
That's
I'm
the
gonna
first
talk
thing
to
you do,
wanna
right?
Talk like a human being. Because I've been trying to do that the whole time, and you're being ridiculous.
Is it not what you guys do? Okay, you guys can't pull over somebody and say, "Hey, your lights out. Okay, be on your way. You're serving to protect." You guys don't do that, right? You guys,
What are you talking about?
when you pull somebody
Why are
over,
you
bro, why
here?
can't you guys get it through your
He
skull?
has mental health
Okay,
issues, obviously.
you guys
On
do
this
because you guys
channel,
don't
if you're
understand
watching
it.
this,
If
this
you guys don't
gentleman,
understand
we want to
it.
help him. I wish we
You guys
could,
don't
but he has
understand that. You guys are
issues.
thick-headed. You guys don't
There's something
understand it.
paranoid
That's the first thing you guys
going on
do.
here.
When
I
you guys
really
can
wish we
serve
could
and
help you.
protect
I
and say,
really
"Hey,
do.
you got a light out.
This
You,
is a
you know."
weird
You went around the
department
corner
in the
too quick,
country.
you know, slow it
You
down,
have an
you know,
issue.
and that's
You
it.
get some
Be on your
help.
way, serve and
Would you
protect.
like to talk to
But the
someone?
first thing you guys do is Nazi,
AK
Nazi, papers,
audits.
papers,
Would you like
Nazi,
to talk
Nazi,
to someone?
Nazi. I want my papers. Oh, we need them
talk
now.
about-
You can't
I'm
have,
gonna post
you
this
can't go
video.
nowhere unless
Show
you
how
have your
ridiculous
papers.
this is.
That's how you guys do it, huh?
You are being ridiculous.
Well, you're the one that's sitting here arguing, not
Do me a
understanding where I'm
favor.
coming
Let's
from.
Stand out of that driveway. In case someone wants to come home and you're standing.
Oh, because you guys really give a lot of room to move in. Come on, guys. You guys are always talking crap about everything. Here comes another few, man.
Hi, sir.
How's it going?
This is AK Audits.
Can I get a name and badge number real quick?
Oh, yes. We've met before. I met you in August. How are you doing?
How's it going?
Doing all right.
Name, badge number, bud?
What do they need help?
Just because of me, you know,
You're taking,
out here standing up for my rights and
harassing.
making sure we're not being overstepped with the boundaries. Hoping you guys can get retrained on your Constitution, you know what I mean?
Done here?
You know what I mean?
Look how many people are here because you're causing a scene.
Just because of a one person, that
Yeah, because
and,
you're
and doing
causing
nothing
a scene.
criminal.
And you seem to have
Ain't no
mental health
crime
issues. So
being
we're gonna have to come
committed,
here
and
and
you
deal
guys
with
are
you.
here
We're good.
being, you know,
There's no need to waste anymore on him and his channel.
you guys are unbelievable.
Why is that funny to
Just
you?
learn how to. It's like I say, you know, it's not about, you know, defunding. It's about redirecting your funding to retraining.
To what?
You know what I mean? Retraining to honor
Did
your
you know
oath.
this is the
To
highest
honor your
ranked police
oath.
department in the state of Washington?
You guys don't honor your oath, though. Everybody, all officers
Give me an
don't honor their oath. They don't. They
Give me an
don't.
example.
That's the first
The
thing
only
that,
thing I don't
like I said, that's the
honor
first
is
thing.
my diet.
That's the
That's the only
first.
thing I
That's the
don't
first thing. Like I said, that's the first thing you guys do. And you guys throw it out there by saying,
Stop. Give me an example.
"I gave you plenty of examples. You still don't
Give me
take
a
it."
single one. Give me
What do
an
you mean? You
example.
pull somebody over and they have a light out.
Hey,
What? What do you do?
Give me the officer's name and badge number. You
No.
take them all
What
the
do you
time.
do? What do you do when you pull somebody over?
Educate people.
I'm educating you. What do you guys do when you pull somebody over?
You pull them over to educate them so they're safe on the road.
Okay, you tell them, okay, your light's out. Now give me your license and insurance and all that, right?
Yeah.
Why do you need all that when it's free
How
to
would you
travel?
Identify the driver.
You don't need to identify the driver.
Why?
We got constitutional
Why?
rights. Our
No,
Fourth
tell me
Amendment. You know
why.
what the Fourth Amendment
You
is?
don't even understand the reason.
Do you know what the
Why?
Fourth Amendment is?
Yes.
That you took an oath to swore an oath to. What is it?
How's that an unlawful search and seizure? Ask for someone's identification.
Because you're asking for their ID.
need to
You're
do
asking
is
for their
go take a
ID
class
when they
on
don't need to give you ID
constitutional law.
unless they have committed a crime, right?
I need you to give this
Right?
officer your information.
You don't need. You know you ain't getting my information. What's wrong with you guys?
Because
No.
you're harassing people.
Too bad. See, that's what you guys are doing right now. Taking my information unconstitutionally.
We don't need to tell you. We have all this info.
Then take it like that, because it's crap what you guys are going to try to do and want to
Give a
do.
statement of why you were here and what you were doing.
Like I said, that's all I was going to ask. Who lived here? What tyrant lived here? Because I was
Why?
just going to educate them
Why?
on the Constitution, just like I'm
Why?
trying to do that. And that's it.
And they asked you to leave and you wouldn't leave.
Hey, I'm in public, and that's it.
So they asked you to leave and you wouldn't leave?
I'm in public.
Did they ask you to leave?
If I'm
and you
in
would not
public, they
leave?
could tell me to do whatever. If I'm in
that's not
public,
what's
they can't
happening
tell
over
me.
there. That's
They
not
can't tell me
what's
to leave
happening
if I'm
over
in public. Sorry.
Would you like to give a statement to this officer?
No, that's all I'm saying.
Why not?
Because we don't. I don't need. I gave everything to you guys. I told you guys what you guys need.
Okay, well, luckily you record everything, so we can pull that. So I appreciate that much on YouTube. Because you
Just
put
learn
that
not
in the
to
public domain.
just learn not to protect people. I mean, to protect people's rights, not take their rights
What
right
are you
away.
doing to help?
This right here, because this is
Not
what
helping
you
anybody.
guys don't understand that you guys.
17 followers do not help people.
Like
What
I
are
said, you guys
doing?
don't. You guys use the policies to entrap people to say, hey, no, it's the law because it's, you know, Washington law says that no matter what, you need ID. Right?
You need to seek
That's
help.
messed up, right?
You need to seek
When we got constitutional rights to our protection, right?
This is what you want. I know you get off on this attention.
No, I get off on making
violate
sure
the
that people learn their rights, learn what the fuck they need to say to people.
Listen to me. If you continue to harass people, you will be charged or arrested.
Look, harassment
Understand.
is
Have
an
a good
action.
day.
Harassment is an action,
Anything else?
right?
Anything from him?
Can I get a name, badge number?
Yeah, I'm Officer Guards of the Pasco Police Department. Okay. All right. May I ask why you were here then
960.
initially?
I mean, 160. No, that's good. You have a good day, sir.
Okay, you don't want to tell me why you were here?
No, I left them all know
Can I get your
the
name?
reason. But you guys go ahead and be on your way.
Can I
And
get your name, sir?
no, sir. No.
Okay, all right.
You have a good day.
From this situation, we learn that citizens' freedoms are not always properly protected. Filming and recording acts of abuse is a way to protect oneself and remind everyone of the right to free movement and privacy. Remember, when we stand up for our rights, we are also protecting the rights of the community. In this video, a citizen is simply filming in public but gets arrested for disorderly conduct. The question is filming in a public space a criminal act, or is it a citizen's right? Are you ready to stand up for your freedom of speech and actions?
That's a personal question that I'm not going to answer.
I can just call him an ass.
That's freedom of speech, sir. You can't do nothing about that.
Well, he's offended by it.
Well, I'm sorry that he's offended about it.
Do you have an ID with you?
No, I'm not going to go to you.
That's not an ID.
Texas Penal Code 3002 says I only have to identify myself if being lawfully arrested. Not detained, arrested.
Okay.
Am I being detained?
Well, he's offended.
Am I being
You're
detained?
trusting
It's a
it.
yes or no question.
Not as of right now.
Thank you.
You leaving?
No, I'm not going to leave. I'm on a sidewalk. You don't have to make me, you can't make me leave. His feelings do not trump my rights, Officer Lamb. Call a supervisor. Call Sergeant Hernandez down here. He knows me. Is that one of your officers coming? Code 3 for an emergency that I'm not doing anything wrong? Okay. You have a nice day. Really? You're calling emergency backup from me standing on the sidewalk?
I'm calling an assistant, man.
Well, he's coming with lights and sirens.
Yeah, I told him he didn't have.
Okay. Well, don't follow me, because if you do, that's considered stalking. This is not a supervisor, is it?
No, it's a.
Can you follow supervisor? So I'm going to remain silent at this time if the supervisor does not come. Okay, guys, now we have code. There is an officer right here. I just timed code 3 for no reason whatsoever. Ma'am, what is your name and badge number? Ma'am, what's your name and badge number? Ma'am, what is your name and badge number?
Officer Ramirez, and this is my badge number right here.
Can you say it for me?
Oh, you can read it, and you can say it.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Sure.
3785.
Yes. Did this officer explain to you the offense you just committed?
You know, ma'am, it's freedom of speech. You can't do nothing about it. If you ever follow him, you can call Sergeant Hernandez over. I already spoke with him a couple of weeks ago. So, I'm in public. This guy's obviously butthurt because I'm taking his picture. I told him what I was doing.
Okay,
Listen.
you
No.
don't have to-
I'm gonna speak. I'm gonna
You
speak.
don't have to explain to me. This officer already told me. But
Well, did he tell you I was doing a traffic survey?
okay, but listen to
Did he
me.
not tell you that part? Okay. Then apparently he didn't tell you everything that I told him. I'm gonna remain silent at this time.
Yeah. All right, come here, man.
I'm not doing anything wrong. Do not touch me, sir. Do not touch me.
Stop resisting.
Call.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Call a
Get on the ground.
supervisor. Call a supervisor.
From this situation, we see that the right to film in public should not be violated. It is a fundamental right of every citizen to uphold transparency and freedom of speech. If everyone stands up for their rights, society becomes fairer. Remember, our rights are not just words. They are actions to protect our freedom. In this situation, a citizen films in public but is asked by the police to provide identification for unreasonable reasons. Despite not breaking any laws, the citizen is required to identify themselves just for filming. The question is the right to film and record public behavior truly being violated in such cases?
She got out. I don't know if she's wearing a seatbelt or not. For what?
Excuse me?
For what?
For surveilling a facility and your...
Is that a law?
Excuse me?
Is that a law?
Actually, it is. Do you have a...
No. Can you show me the law?
Do you have a driver's license?
No, I don't.
Okay, you don't?
No.
You're gonna have to tell me who you are then.
For what reason now?
Homeland Security.
Homeland Security is a crime?
Yep. Well,
Did you know what the 2018 Homeland Security memo states?
127.15.
And first off, this isn't a federal building.
127.15. Do you have identification?
No, I don't.
Okay. We're gonna identify you somehow.
Sergeant, can you come over here and talk to her? She's having a problem because I'm recording. Before she makes a mistake, that costs a lot of money.
I just want... Okay, and I'm the lieutenant, sir, so I'd like to have some identification from you.
For what? What do we do wrong? Can
Because
you
you're
articulate the
surveilling,
crime?
you're taking
Can you
surveillance.
articulate the crime?
You're taking surveillance of our facility, and I just want to identify who you are.
Yeah, I'm
But that's not a crime.
I didn't commit a crime. I'm not giving up any idea.
It's not committing a crime.
But I don't have to give up.
Bingo,
exactly
bingo. Not committing a crime.
It's not your right to know right now
Actually,
unless I commit a crime.
Unless we commit a crime.
Yeah, it's not a crime.
We don't need the ID unless we committed a crime.
It was ruled by Supreme Court that we could record anything in public.
It's on the New Jersey Attorney General's website.
And this camera right here is my second set of eyes, so you can't trespass that as well.
I understand that, but you're videotaping a secure facility.
Yeah, it's not against the law. It's not against the law at all.
You're being streamed live right now.
If you can show me
I'd like to
something.
know who you are.
Yeah, I'm not going to tell you that.
Yeah, it's not important. I'll be coming in, but it's not okay that they're videoing.
She said it's not okay that
We need to talk to that chief.
It is okay. We're going to stay out here. We already got every tag. Every license plate we already got. We're going to continue to stay out here. Well, we're going to continue to do it. I'm standing my ground. Just letting you know now.
This lady's crazy.
Come on, Karen. It don't work like that.
All right, so we have the lieutenant over here. She's getting a little pissy. She's demanding ID.
You guys remember Lieutenant Sean Smith? Well, I think we got the female version.
She's demanding ID out here, guys.
She went in the back, right?
For Homeland Security was the crime. That's what she said.
Really?
So
what happened?
I tried to tell her about the 2018 Homeland Security memo, and then I also told her that this isn't even a federal building, so how are you even going to try to apply Homeland Security here?
Wow. This would be epic if this lieutenant's name is Karen.
Her name's definitely Karen.
Her name? Yeah.
Her name's Karen.
Lieutenant Karen. Karen.
Yeah, her initials are KKK.
I need to think of a song for Karen when she comes back out. I need a song.
Uh-oh, they came out with the whole force. Why are they coming out like that? See?
Here they come. You get educated, Lieutenant? You didn't get educated? Well, we're still here, so I think you did. You did get educated? That's great if you did.
If you did...
It's called transparency. It's called holding you guys accountable. That's what it's called.
You don't gotta be such a nervous pervis around us. We're not here to harm nobody.
It's not about being nervous.
Not here for any ill intent, so I'm gonna let that be known now.
Well, thank you. I appreciate
Okay.
that. I do appreciate that. But I'm trying to determine what it is that you're doing.
Yeah, but that's the thing. You determining what I'm doing, you only need to determine if I'm breaking the law.
Well, you're videotaping my officers as they come to the show, and you're videotaping...
And they're not wearing their seatbelts.
They're not wearing their seatbelts.
And they're not wearing their seatbelts.
Plenty of officers not wearing their seatbelts. You have a sign right there that says "Buckle up" for your safety.
There's Officer Laughs over here. He thinks it's funny not wearing a seatbelt. How many seatbelt tickets have you guys written this month?
You can check it out. It's going to be published very soon. You can check it out. But you're going to have to search for it. I'll let you know later. I'll call you. But here's the thing. I can record any officer out here because you're in your official capacity, and Supreme Court ruled that I can record you guys during the course of your duty. That's all you need to know.
But the problem that I'm having is that you're here while everybody's going in and out, and it is a secure facility.
Okay, but we're not breaking the law, though. So if you got a problem with it, you need to try to talk to some lawmakers to see if you can get that taken care of. But as of now, we're here recording.
That's a great suggestion.
Okay, yeah. I don't think they're going to go for it, though, because the First Amendment can't really change the amendment. We're freedom of press.
Yeah, like if you guys are scared, that's sad.
Hey, we're just single one. I'm a single black guy. That's a single white guy. And, excuse me? I'm the resistance.
We're
That's supposed to be
independent
clarity,
press.
Accountability.
Do you have identification?
For what?
Do you,
Your press.
Don't need it.
do
Don't need
you,
it.
do you
Don't
need
it.
identification?
Don't need it.
That's the good question.
Don't need it. Yeah, we don't give up any identification. Let me just let you know this now. We don't give any identification to police officers. You guys,
Because we don't do anything against the law.
Right, and we don't need your guys.
I don't know that because I don't know you. I know you to identify yourself.
Yeah, and we're
That's
gonna
not how it
continue
works,
to
though. That's
be.
what we're trying to get here. This is what the conversation we're trying to get to is. You don't need to identify anybody. I can understand you're concerned, and your concern is getting the identity of somebody, but that's not your right to do that unless somebody actually committed a crime.
Someone's doing activity that's suspicious, like you are right now. You're accusing it.
Not
It's suspicious of crime.
This is not suspicious.
A misdemeanor or a
I
felony?
just told you I'm here for no ill intent.
Right.
So I'm not suspicious.
Suspicion.
Okay, so are you in fear, ma'am? Because if you are, I will consent to a pat down. Are you in fear? If you tell me that you're in fear,
I'm not asking you to allow me to.
okay, well then there's no danger.
Yeah, don't be scared.
There's
You
no
know,
danger.
you guys are supposed to be our
There's
heroes.
no concern for you to know while I'm out here recording. It's actually an education because if it went the wrong way, it probably cost you about, well, you got qualified immunity. It
Yeah,
would've
the
cost
taxpayers would've had to pay it. They
about
wouldn't have
30
liked
to
that.
40 grand.
Yes, from what I understand, you were at another facility. You were videotaping a citizen. And that's what it is. Is that true?
Well, you need to conduct an investigation to find out if it was true.
Right.
That's what I'm asking.
I know, but I don't answer questions.
Right.
That's what I'm telling you. You need to conduct a proper investigation to find. You need to conduct the investigation. Yeah, but not from me though. You're not going to get it from me, man.
Right, we don't.
You're
You're
not
gonna
gonna
pay
get it
us.
from me.
Pay us some money, and we'll help you do your investigation.
So you were out at another facility that wasn't a facility like this. That had nothing to do with transparency.
That's what you're saying.
You
That's
hear?
what you're saying. That's what you're
That's
saying.
her story.
We're not saying that. You're
That's
saying
what her
that.
investigation
You're
concluded.
saying
That's what one of the officers told me, that they were out with you at another facility.
Okay, that's what they said. You didn't hear anything from us. You will not use anything against me, ma'am. Nothing.
Okay, well, if I find out that that is the truth, then that's why I'm trying to find out exactly who you are and what you're doing.
Conduct your investigation. We're not going anywhere. We're not going. No, but not with us. Keep us out of it. We didn't even call you guys, so you shouldn't be conducting an investigation with us. How crazy? Let me ask you a question. How crazy does that sound? We got the police called on us, and you're asking me to help you with your investigation? Isn't that crazy? That is very crazy. You need to
That's
talk
wild.
to the people who called the police on us. That's simple as that. We will not help you with an investigation. We're here recording,
You can go
we're
there.
holding you guys accountable, and we're showing transparency, and you've been very unprofessional. What you just told us. What you just told us right here on that sidewalk, you said that we are not allowed to. You violate our
That's
rights.
unlawful. You used the
violated our
color.
rights.
You tried to use the color.
You
You tried.
did violate
You tried
my
to
rights.
use
You
the
told
color
me.
of law to enforce that.
Yes, you did.
I'm telling you that what you're doing is intimidating to people that are coming in and out of the building.
Why are you intimidated?
Because you're walking around the building and it is a secure facility. And I don't know.
But if you're intimidated, you need to hand your badge and your gun in
It's the
today.
wrong line.
Just-
Yeah, no, this is the wrong. I'm telling you right now, this is the wrong line of work for you to be in.
And I'm telling you that it's not.
Well, I'm telling you what it is because actually you have wasted taxpayers' dollars right now standing around some guys that are recording. You got work to do.
Well, I don't know where exactly it is that you're trying
Oh man, that's not listen. That's where you're out of bounds at. You keep trying to figure something. You keep,
and you keep walking.
and it's not a problem because you guys don't have any no trespassing signs.
It's publicly
up.
paid
It's
for.
public.
The tax dollars, the citizens pay for this bill.
You need to
We
brush
pay
up
for
on
your
the laws,
salaries.
man.
We want to
Really,
check up
for
on
real.
you guys. Why can't we? What's
Seriously.
wrong with that? What's scary about it? You
Yeah,
know?
that one right there, she doesn't
My name
like
is
it.
Fear, scared, concerned.
Michael Smith, 8 Harvard Township. Please, guys, do not do me a favor and call this police station and tell them how. May I have your name and badge, please? Please do not call this police station
Lieutenant Bergen.
and say anything about Lieutenant Bergen's unprofessionalism. You don't even have to call. You guys are seeing it. Do not call. I'm telling you, please don't call. Do not do that favor for me. You have a badge number? 15127.
15127 Bergen.
So
Over
you
here
actually
at
out here
the
working right now, you kinda interrupted
Egg Harbor
me.
Township
Go along
Police
and still record this process.
Department.
You have a nice day. You're dismissed.
Too proud. This guy's over here came back. Boom, boom, boom. He's probably enjoying it. Are you this man's boss, supervisor right now?
Because we're private citizens. As long as you're in your official capacity wearing that uniform, we're allowed to ask you that. It's public record, actually.
It doesn't seem like he's doing much over there. He's just sitting in the car, wasting time and resources.
Well, what is the reason to see that? What did we do to make you guys think?
Still, you're doing it again.
What am I doing?
You just told me that you were moving on your way. And
What am I doing? No, I said I'm going to remain.
Well, I have a question about this guy while he's just sitting there wasting away tax dollars.
We're not going to be peaceful.
Now she's gonna go ask the questions for this guy.
Jesus Christ, yo. This is what we go through.
Egg Harbor Police Department, y'all.
Egg Harbor
You guys can see it.
Police Department.
So you guys can get the
She's
correct
butthurt.
spelling.
She is really hurt, ladies and gentlemen.
Her butt hurts really bad. She found out from somebody. She's still trying to figure out a way. The guy's having a personal chat with her, hiding around the corner, I guess, huh? No concern. We got 3 or 4
John
officers.
Stevenson. He said John L. McCullough and Wolfie are losers. I think because he said my whole name. I'm supposed to feel some type of way.
God.
Hey, John Stevenson, do you think you could continue to say my name throughout the whole stream continuously, like every 10 seconds? I'd appreciate that. Because I really would like my viewers to know who I am, buddy. Thanks a lot, John Stevenson. Troll.
No big emergency over here, guys. I would zoom it, but it gives me trouble coming back out. But they're just sitting over there trying to figure things out. But yeah, the butt hurtness did come out.
Yeah, where's the guy who said my name? I can't hear from him. Hey, you want to comment again, buddy? You want to put the name up every 10 seconds for me, please? Show the world. Why would I show the world my teeth? I have bad teeth. Why would I want to show the world my teeth? I don't want to show the world my teeth. I want to show the world transparency.
I got your dental
and
records.
Accountability. And hey, buddy, where does that matter with transparency and accountability? Why should I show people my teeth?
Yep. So that happened. She got butt hurt.
You cannot break me. I do not.
You guys will see the front part on a video I put up, and then I'll put this live stream in the description to finish it. She was reckless about getting ID. She was going to go hands-on.
Hey, sorry. Look like some education needs to be laid down around here about recording in public. Just saying, our rights was almost violated. It's not right.
No, it's scary, you know. People coming up with a 15-pound belt full of weapons, demanding ID, or else, or else what? Violence?
We got to Google that. We got to Google that right now. Last station they got shot up in Jersey.
Well, not Jersey, but it happened.
You guys got cameras? See a camera right up there? Looks like a pretty good one too.
Cameras everywhere.
So you don't got nothing to worry about. You could go zoom in and freeze frame. I dig it. I dig it. I don't know if she digs it though. She got ants in her pants all. She got a little fiery. I hate to be that woman's husband.
Where did she go?
She strutted off back that way.
Oh, okay.
From this situation, we learn that freedom of speech and the right to film are fundamental rights of every citizen. When asked for identification without a valid reason, we must stand up for our rights. Everyone needs to realize that the right to record actions of public authorities is legal and must be protected. What about you? What do you think of these situations? Leave a comment below so we can discuss together.